Hi, welcome back to Medway Model Railway. This is my latest update on my layout. Hope you like and share to others. This week I've been working quite busy. What I've done away with my double track and done away with the arches over the back because I thought I'd come up with something different. So what I've decided to do was the canal scene. So what I've had to do was to come along here. This is what it looks like at the moment. Like I made a nice trench and I put the old mod rock all inside just to toughen it all up. So when I do put the water in, it's not going to leak anywhere. As you see on the top here, I've got a class 66. So there'll be a rail going all the way round. And what I need to do is design the banks up. So that looks quite impressive. And over the back there, I think you'll find the arches will be back. But that'll be later on in future videos. And on the right hand side here, you see where all this is going to be the scrap yard here. So I'm trying to work on this. This is going to come up quite impressive and I'm going to be proud of it. So like I say, I've got so much work to do. And then during the week, somebody done me a 3D canal boat here, as you see. So I'm actually going to paint this up. I'm hoping to get a few more. And on the left-hand side here, we've got a walkway underneath the bridge. That's going to be quite nice, as you see down the canal road. And these Metcalf paving slabs here are all going to go on this side. So I'm hoping to have a pub scene down here too, and a bit of seating area in future videos. So much going on. Something to look out for. So this is Diesel Dave saying take care and stay safe.